Hello from Slovenia again. Today I have some Halloweenish balloons here, and I will do a balloon dip, balloon kiss. I normally use my gloves to do that, but today I decided that I will try with some balloons, and I will do that on the dry background, not the wet one. Stay. Let's see what will happen with that. Okay. And I have this silicone mat on my table and plastic underneath because, and of course I still have these fluorescent paints and fluid art CO stir sticks. This is my consistency. And I will do a puddle here, dip it, and then transfer it onto the canvas, dry one. I painted it with just Amsterdam oxide black, and I did start with the green, and maybe I add a little too much, but I have quite some big balloon, the first one, and if you do that on the dry background, you get different result than if you would use wet one. So we will see, and if you want we can do the dry the wet one. Sorry, I was just looking at my camera angle that from which one you would see most. So I basically added all the fluorescent paints that I have, and I will grab this big balloon. It's quite big, I don't know how big, but I have to do this like that. Let's remove those cups here. Okay, and now I will dip my balloon into this paint and try to transfer this on the canvas. It's not round, so let's try to dip once more. This way, and I will go again. Then it's even more not round, but the effects are quite stunning. Try to do, wow, this one is much better. I like those much more, and I don't have a bigger one to, you know, try to. Let's try once more. I can still paint around, so and here is what is on the balloon. I'm just thinking that I will try to add paint on this one here and dip it again. So I will add some green and blue again. Violet. I think that I never did this on my channel. Use the dry background for balloons. I did play with that 2 years ago for myself when I discovered acrylic ink. And I love to play with balloons and glass. And those who know me from back then know that. So let's see what will happen now. Maybe now I have too much paint, I don't know, but I really want to have a little more rounded shape here. So let's see what will happen. Maybe I'm not dipping down my balloon evenly. Because I'm constantly, you see, when let's play with this one a little bit. Because so obviously it's better not to press it down all to the end, or how can I say? I will grab this little one and I will just dip it here because I don't want big ones. I'm not happy that I have this here, but do these little ones more invisible, or how can I say? Okay. I didn't mean to have this here, so now I have to do something with it. I have to add something more. So I will just do one more puddle here and try to fix this if I can. I will try not to press too hard the first time. let's use this black one this time. Just kind of want to feel this part there to be, I don't know. I'm just afraid that those will not show a lot, you see, because they almost disappearing. But I like what is on the mat here. Definitely want a little more paint probably, because those here will be just a little addition, because they are almost drying, because there is almost no paint here. Maybe I can try to add a little black here. And dip my little one. I think that it's okay now. So here is a close-up. Those little ones kind of try to disappear. It depends from which angle you are looking. So I'm quite interested how this will dry. Interesting. I definitely learned that you can correct with adding the color that you have on the background. So I will definitely play a little more, maybe not with fluorescent paints, you know, because they are kind of tricky, but magic too. So tell me if you want me to try with the same, because I still have quite left on the wet background, and see what will happen. Have a nice day and see you on the next one. Bye!